Okay, we're starting Sanhedrin, Hasbar 6:2. We're learning Gemara Sanhedrin, Perak Shmini, Ben Sora Umora, Daf Ayin Beis, and we go to the bottom of the page, the last four words. We have two Braito that seem to contradict each other. One Braito says, unless you know the guy is definitely going to kill you, you're not allowed to kill him. And the second Braito says, unless you know the guy is peaceful, you're allowed to kill him. Kashya, we have a difficulty. Stoma astama between two anonymous Braitot. Therefore, I don't know, am I allowed to kill the guy? Not allowed to kill the guy. What are the circumstances? And the Gemara says lo kasha. It's not really a contradiction. And we're going to turn the page ourselves now on I am bed, Amit bed. And the Gemara says it's not a difficulty between these two Braitos. Kan ba'av al haben. The first Braita is talking about a father who comes upon a son. Kan haben ala av. And the second Braita is talking about a son who comes across the father. So we explain the following. The Braita that teaches that one is unsure about the burglar's intentions, it's prohibited to kill him, is referring to a father who comes to rob his son. A father, Rashi says, has great compassion for his son, and we can presume, therefore, that he's not going to kill his son if he resists. Accordingly, the son is prohibited from killing the father unless he knows for certain that the father's intentions are to kill him. That's the first Braita. And the second Braita that teaches that unless we're unsure about the burglar's intentions, we're permitted to kill him, is referring to a son who comes to rob his father. Because the son has less compassion for his father, and we can presume that he's ready to kill his father if he resists. Therefore, the father is permitted to kill his son unless he knows for certain that the son would never kill him. And we continue with the Gemara. Amar Rav. Rav says, anybody who will come through a tunnel into my house, Katlina le, I'm going to kill him. Lebar, except Rav Chanina bar Shila, except for Rav Chanina bar Shila. My timer, why won't you kill him? My timer, what's the reason? Ilema, are you going to say Mishum because the tzaddiku, the Rav Chanina bar Shila is a tzaddik, Hakasib Machtar, then what is he doing coming through a tunnel? If he's such a tzaddik, he wouldn't be tunneling in. Ella, rather. What is he referring to? Rav is saying, Mishum, the reason they wouldn't kill him, Mishum, because the Kimle begaive the Marachim alai Karachim of Halaben. I know that when he comes, he will have compassion upon me like a father has to a son. And Rav is saying, I'm certain he would have mercy on me. And therefore, he would not kill me. So what Rav is teaching us is an important lesson that when we talk about a father who has Rahmanas on a son, it could be any person who would be similar to a father who we know that if they were a thief and they were coming to rob from us, when push comes to shove, they wouldn't kill us because they have Rachamim and they wouldn't go that far. So when we know that's the case, we're certainly not allowed to kill them.